Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix duplicate content issues on your Shopify store. Duplicate content can confuse search engines because multiple URLs may display the same or very similar content. This is especially common with Shopify collection pages, product tags, and pagination. While Shopify already handles many SEO issues automatically, there are still a few best practices you should follow to keep your store optimized. Let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Products. Open a few of your products and make sure each one has a unique title and description. Avoid copying the same content across multiple products, even if they're similar. Unique product content helps search engines understand which page should rank. Next, review your collections. If you have several collections containing the same products, make sure each collection has its own unique title and description. Instead of repeating the same text, explain what makes each collection different. This helps reduce duplicate content between collection pages. Another common source of duplicate content is product tags. Shopify automatically creates URLs for product tags, but creating too many tag pages with little unique content can dilute your SEO. Only use tags when they're genuinely useful for organizing products and avoid creating unnecessary tag combinations. Pagination is another area where duplicate content can occur. Shopify automatically includes pagination on large collections, and modern themes usually handle this correctly. Avoid creating custom pagination code unless necessary, as improper modifications can create multiple versions of the same content. You should also avoid publishing duplicate products simply to target different keywords. Instead, optimize a single product page with a natural title, detailed description, and relevant keywords. This gives search engines one clear page to index instead of several competing versions. If you've changed product or collection URLs, make sure Shopify creates a redirect from the old URL to the new one. You can check this by going to Content, then Menus, or by reviewing your URL redirects if you've created custom redirects. Proper redirects prevent search engines from indexing outdated pages. Another good practice is to use consistent internal linking throughout your store. Link to the main version of your product pages whenever possible, rather than linking through multiple filtered or tagged URLs, because this helps search engines understand which pages are most important. After making these improvements, monitor your website using Google Search Console. Check the indexing and pages reports for duplicate page warnings or canonical issues. These reports can help you identify pages that Google considers duplicates, so you can review and improve them. Remember that Shopify automatically adds canonical tags to most product and collection pages, which helps search engines identify the preferred version of a page. For most store owners, this built-in feature already resolves many duplicate content concerns without requiring any coding. Finally, continue creating original content for your products, collections, blogs, and other pages. High-quality, unique content not only helps reduce duplicate content issues, but also improves your overall search engine visibility and provides a better experience for your customers. And that's it. That's how to fix duplicate content issues on Shopify. By creating unique product and collection content, managing tags carefully, avoiding unnecessary duplicate pages, using proper redirects, and monitoring Google Search Console, you can build a stronger SEO foundation for your online store. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.